In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on quote approvals in HubSpot. First, open your browser and search for HubSpot. You can also go directly to the HubSpot homepage if you have it bookmarked. Click through to the site and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct portal, and note that you'll need the right permissions to change quote settings. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, check with your admin to ensure you have access. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for the gear icon. That's your settings. Click it to open the main settings area. We'll do the entire setup from here. On the left sidebar, find the section labeled Objects. Go ahead and click it. Objects control the different record types in HubSpot, and that's where quote-related settings live. You'll see an area where you can select an object type. This is simply HubSpot asking which type of record you want to configure. For approvals that apply to selling documents, we're focusing on quotes. So, from that list, choose the option for quotes. After selecting quotes, look for the Approvals option related to quotes. Click Approvals. This is the dedicated space where you can manage whether quotes need to be reviewed before they're sent to customers. Now you'll see a toggle for Quote Approvals. Click the toggle to turn it on. When the toggle is enabled, HubSpot enforces a review process before a quote can be finalized and shared. This helps teams maintain pricing accuracy, discount governance, and brand consistency. If your subscription includes advanced approval features, you may see additional options for defining who needs to approve and under what conditions, such as high discount thresholds or large deal values. Those controls live on the same page and are worth reviewing with your sales operations team. But for now, the key action is simply enabling the approval requirement. As a best practice, let your sales team know that approvals are now required, so there are no surprises when they create a new quote. It's also helpful to document who the approvers are and typical turnaround times, especially if your sales cycles are time-sensitive. If you manage multiple teams or regions, align on consistent criteria so everyone follows the same process. That's it. You searched for HubSpot and signed in, opened settings using the gear icon, went to Objects, selected the Quotes object, opened the Approvals area, and turned on the Quote Approvals toggle. With approvals enabled, your quotes will now follow a structured review path, helping you maintain control without slowing your momentum.